Are you searching for the best rolling mechanic seat? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best rolling mechanic seat in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. VEVOR Welding Cart, 3-tier welder cart with swivel wheels, safety chains, rolling strong weight capacity. VEVOR 3-tier welding cart can effortlessly handle various heavy loads with 400 lbs maximum static weight capacity and 370 Hs maximum dynamic weight capacity. Heavy-duty welder cart is suitable for a variety of welding tasks, such as manual welding, gas-shielded welding, and argon arc welding. A versatile solution that meets your mobile welding needs. Your excellent storage assistant. Large 3-tier MIG welder cart features a narrow top and a wide bottom, effortlessly accommodating welding caps, welding machines, gas cylinders, welding guns, tools, and more. 4 multifunctional brackets on the sides can hold welding guns, welding pliers, and other tools. Keep your welding tool within arm's reach and tidy your space with VEVOR. Secure gas cylinder placement. Our anti-toppling plasma cutter welding cart ensures reliable and secure placement of gas cylinders. It features 2 gas cylinder slots and 2 stainless steel safety chains, effectively preventing cylinder slippage. Perfectly suitable for oxygen cylinders, acetylene cylinders, nitrogen cylinders, liquefied gas cylinders, and more. Keep your gas cylinders remain stable and safe during transport and welding works. A practical tool for welding. 2 2.9-inch, 7.2 cm front swivel casters support 360-degree flexible rotation, and 2 7-inch, 17.5 cm large rear casters ensure the stability of moving, especially with heavy loads. High-quality PVC wheels can absorb shock, provide silent operation without floor scratches. Anti-slip handle makes pushing and pulling labor-saving. Adjustable incline top shelf ensures the safety of each welding machine at all times by adjusting the center. Premium quality and easy installation. This rolling welding cart is built with durable steel that offers exceptional strength and withstands heavy-duty use, resistant to abrasion and deformation for smooth movement. Precise hole positioning design allows for effortless and quick assembly. Upper and medium tray size, 11 by 18.1 in. Lower tray size, 28 by 16.1 in. Max static load capacity 400 pounds, max dynamic load capacity 370 pounds.